I will be taking you on a virtual tour of the Varu farmhouse located opposite the Tungi Hill across the Pawna lake. Hi, I'm Arpita Bhandari, an interior designer, design energist, and founder of Arpita B Design Studio, based out of Mumbai. Before I start, please note that you can download the full ebook of this house with detailed floor plans, photos, and fact files from buildofy.com. The link to the ebook has been shared in the description box below. The house is raised by 10 feet, creating 2 levels. The ground floor encompassing the utility area and the caretaker's quarters, and the upper floor being the main house. We designed an open concept for the living and dining area, the kitchen being the heart of the house. As they all are food lovers, we wanted to pay extra attention while designing the space. One room reflecting simplicity and earthiness, whereas the other room exuberates luxury, highlight being the 4-poster bed. The master bedroom has the tall, tufted, upholstered bed, which gives a vintage look. Gazebo is the place which reflects the family's love for music. Got us to conceptualize this whimsical and quirky wall, which is a standout feature of this house. The gazebo is a few steps away from the heated pool, which allows all members of the family to enjoy a plunge even in the winters when the temperature can fall down to single digits. The fondness for plants and nature inspired us to design and create a landscape full of colors that enhance the style of their home. We decided to give the farmhouse a rustic, eclectic style. The property features vernacular elements and contemporary details. Cotton steel screens and fabricated MS screens have been created using patterning with geometric designs. Soothing material palette envelops the house with natural stones, wood, concrete, and copper. My biggest takeaway was being able to execute this project and give the client more than what they desired. In case you have any design queries, post them in the comments section below. I would be happy to respond to them